Hello, we have a Bridgeport 2 horsepower Series II Special with 11 by 58 table and 2 horsepower with a J head. Videos to help you understand that the motor and drive is in good condition, and we'll run it in both high range and low range. Low speed. Brake works. Over the high. That's your 60 RPM. Up to 4,200 RPM. And the power feed also has a quick nut for easy movement. Both directions. And note that the ways still got some of the original flaking in the hard chrome. We have a servo powered feed and a mid-toil digital readout. It does have the safety handle on it that disengages when the power feed comes on. Works in both directions and rapid traverse. And here's your Z-axis working on the DRO. All in all, it's a late 70s machine and it's still in a real good condition. Comes with the Kurt 8-inch angle lock vise, air assist on a knee. All in all, a good machine. Thanks for watching.